If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and give us a thumbs up. How to add TBS to YouTube TV. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to add TBS to your YouTube TV lineup. Whether you're a new subscriber or looking to customize your channel list, we've got you covered. First, make sure you're logged into your YouTube TV account on your computer or the YouTube TV app on your smart device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. You will typically find this in the upper right corner of the screen, indicated by your profile icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Live Guide or Membership options. This section allows you to customize your channel lineup and manage your subscriptions. Scroll through the list of available channels until you find TBS. If TBS is part of your base package, it should appear here. If not, it may require an additional package or update. Be sure to check available plans or add-ons provided by YouTube TV. Once you've found TBS, click on it to add it to your lineup if it's not already included. You can also reorder your channel list by dragging TBS to position it as desired. Exit the Settings menu and return to the home screen. Check your channel list to ensure TBS is now part of your available channels. You can now enjoy all the shows and movies that TBS offers directly from your YouTube TV account. And there you have it, a simple way to add TBS to YouTube TV. Thank you for watching,